In this video, I'll guide you through how to track accounts payable in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly see what you owe to your suppliers over any time period you choose. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to xero.com, log into your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because the reports are specific to each organization. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is where Xero keeps all the key financial information for your business, including what you owe and what's been paid. Inside the Reports section, you may see a short list of commonly used reports, but for what we're doing, we want to look at the full list. Find and click on All Reports. This opens up the complete library of reporting options available in your Xero subscription. Now that you're in the full reports area, use the search bar or filter field you see on the page. Type in Accounts Payable. Xero will narrow down the list and show you all reports related to what your business owes to suppliers and vendors. This is the quickest way to avoid scrolling through everything. From the results, look for the report called Payable Invoice Summary, All Purchase Orders Summary, or a very similar name depending on your Xero version. This report brings together your unpaid bills and purchase orders, giving you a clear picture of your accounts payable balance. Click on that report to open it. Once the report loads, you'll see several options to customize it so it shows exactly what you need. Start with the date range, choose the period you're interested in, such as this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom range. This controls which invoices and purchase orders are included in your accounts payable view. Next, adjust the date search settings if they're available. You can usually choose whether to base the report on the invoice date, due date, or another date field. For tracking what's coming up, due date can be very helpful, while invoice date is great for understanding when expenses were incurred. You'll also see options to select the columns that appear in your report. Here you can include things like supplier name, invoice number, due date, original amount, amount outstanding, and more. Select the columns that matter most to you so the report is easy to read at a glance. Then set up any grouping or summarizing options. You might choose to group by supplier so you can see totals owed to each vendor, or group by due date to understand which weeks or months have the highest cash outflows. Grouping and summaries help turn a long list of invoices into a more strategic overview. When you've chosen your date range, date search, columns, and grouping, click the Update button. This refreshes the report using all your custom settings, so you're looking at the most relevant, up-to-date view of your accounts payable. After reviewing the report on screen and making sure it looks right, you have two main options to keep or share it. You can click Save As to save your customized layout in Xero, so next time you can open it without redoing all the settings. Or if you want to work with it outside of Xero, you can click Export. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or a spreadsheet file, so you can send it to colleagues, attach it to emails, or include it in your reporting pack. And that's all you need to track accounts payable in Xero, from accessing the reports area to customizing, updating, and saving or exporting your payable invoice summary.